Okay, so always go to sporting goods when you go to Walmart. Is this the next 7-inch Ozark Trails knife? Or is this forevermore going to be the 7-inch Ozark Trails knife? Well, okay, so I bought two, as you can see. $7 and some change was the cost. So let's take a look at what we got. Let's see if we can get it out of the package. And I'm just going to probably leave the other one just in the package. I mean, no big reason to worry about getting it out, in all honesty. So the package is pretty much destroyed to get it out. But what does the package say? Let's see. Or let's throw this away. You want to check out the package that's still intact. Polypropylene handle, stainless steel blade, 7-inch folding knife. Let's see. It doesn't say anything, so I'm pretty sure you're gonna. It's like 440 or some such as that. 3-inch stainless steel blade, 4-inch polypropylene handle, liner lock, and pocket clip. So obviously the red highlights is what drew my attention to the knife. Uh, Anything red, I got to go check it out. There is a tiny bit of flex in there. Of course, that's just scale there. Pocket clip it's okay. It's about medium. It's a lot less than a VV, and it's very usable and workable. It's kind of blunt right in here, and it goes into a little recess, basically like this. Um, it is not reversible, but it's very usable. I don't think there's gonna be a problem with it except up here. So it is tip down carry, but these screws are proud of the pocket clip, so it's going to snag. There's little to no uh, space in between there, so you're not really you're it's going to stop here. That you might as well consider that to be the end of the pocket clip. Maybe in a dress shirt or something, it would go down further, but in a pair of jeans, it's not happening. You're not going to get that down in there. The knife feels great. I mean, it feels just fine. Let's see if I'm starting to have some hair grow back, but that's okay because I ain't losing none with this one. so, so we're not shaving sharp by no means. The liner lock is okay. It's a little proud of the indention here, so you get a good purchase on it. It's easy to press. Uh, Close the knife. Now, if you look in here, this is kind of odd. You'll see, and I don't know if that's showing up, there's a large white disc and then a small white disc. I don't know. I think the display rack said ball bearings, but I don't see anywhere on here that it does say anything about ball bearings. So it's not really super flickable. And so it is a T10. Turn it a lot. Still not. And I still ain't loosened it up a huge bit. So let's see if we can back off more. Just make a huge turn. Yeah, see, I'm not thinking that I'm really. It's maybe spinning in there because the other side of it, it looks like it's a Torx bit too. So it's a double-ended Torx screw. So, and so you still can't flick it out that way. If you do a little wrist action with it, you can get her flicked out there. And that may work in. So let's see. If you do the old throw out like we used to have to do, you'll be fine and you'll get it out there. Let's see. Looks like there is a ball detent, and you've got about 60% lockup on the blade. I don't know if eventually when that wears down, what the material is on the liner, that it may not go all the way over and start to fail. I'm not sure. The blade is a little bit unusual. Feels the scales, everything feels good. I mean, it's not anything negative with the knife. It is a hollow grind. You've got a belly in it, kind of like the Civivi Vision FG. There's a little bit of belly in the blade right there. And I think that's fine. I don't think there's any issues with that. I like that style blade. In fact, it's nice for hulling something out, skinning something, stuff like that. There's a burr on the blade kind of at the end, right in there. So it's not a good sharpening job, but I think it's a pretty decent knife, other than the fact that it's not real flicky. But time will tell, and I'm gonna play with it for a little while to see how flicky I can get it. And if I can get it, really really doing good, then I may give it a little time up here opening packages or something like that. But so it looks nice. I love it. I love the red accents to it. I think that's cool. If this was just a flicky flipper, man, that would be cool. Especially if it was, if this knife was like this knife, or this knife was like this knife. A nice liner lock. That blade is great. Small or button lock would be great. I mean, 10, 15, $20 for a knife from Walmart that's a button lock or a decent button lock. That would be perfect on this knife. So anyway, just thought I'd throw this knife out there again. I just saw this yesterday, and it's the first time I've seen this knife at Walmart. So I don't know how long it's been out, but I think it's just perfectly fine to grab, knock around with, see how well it works in actual usage. I don't know how it'll hold up, but let me know how it works out for you. You see this knife. So anyway, that's all I got on that knife. And we'll see you on the next one. If you like this kind of content, I would ask that you would subscribe. Thank you. Your time is very important to me, and I thank you for spending it here with me. Thanks, and God bless.